everyone. Current technological developments are very advanced, one of which is developments is the field of aviation. Gliders is a type of aircraft designed for training hobby and air sports purpose. This aircraft is usually not equipped with a propulsion engine, so in order to fly it has to be towed by a motorized vehicle or aircraft. However, there are several types of glider aircraft that are equipped with propulsion motors in order to increase range or even for takeoff and landing. The material of the glider aircraft structure is made of components that are light but have high strength and stiffness. First is wing construction. Glider wing is built from the outside in. For that we use four large mouths per sailplane. The right and the left wing upper surfaces and lower surfaces. When a new wing is started, the workday of the legwearer begins at 6 a.m. But the first of our up coat is sprayed in. That is later the outer coat, which is the first thing not too thinly applied to the mold. Unfortunately, we have to use polyester legwear because the PU legwear, while it would better combine with the epoxy applied later, it would also form droplets on the release agent which has been applied to the mold. Just like the water in a car wash, 1 hour later, when the actual wing workers arrive, the legwear is partially dried and quite sticky. Epoxy is then rolled onto the surface and a thin fiberglass layer applied and pressed into the epoxy. The main function of this thin layer is to prevent the structure of the following layers to show through the wing surfaces. Some manufacturers skip this part of the process, but after a few years a fine diamond-shaped structures become visible that we do not want. Next, a layer of carbon fiber fabric is put in, which accounts for most of the strength of the wing surface. The direction of the carbon fiber is diagonal for greater torsion strength. Next, main body. The fuselage construction is faster than the wing construction, but the main installation of small parts in quite complicated. Seat pan, landing gear, engine by walls, bulkheads, lift pin tubes, ribs and shear webs in the fin, pitot and static parts with hoses, antenna control system. All the has be installed and tested from the fuselage halves and glued together. Next is rock assembly. In the next stage, the rock assembly takes place. The leading and trailing edges of the wings are trimmed. The control surface flaperons are cut out and fitted, and the spar ends receive their outside glass fiber layers. Then the wings are put on the drilling jig so that the exact V shape for the drilling of the holes for the main pin bushings can be ascertained. The complete controls are installed to the fuselage and canopy frame exposed side. The canopy glued and the canopy locks installed. The tailplane and rudder are fitted and engine door installed. The wiring set installed. The sailplane is assembled the first time all controls are adjusted and quality control take place. Now the rock assembly is complete. 3 workers are 1 week per sailplane. And then finishing. The last step is spraying with paint and gluing it several points so that it is waterproof and each part is stronger. And the last part is test flight for gliders. Finally, the gliders must show in the test flight programs that everything works properly. A predetermined program is flown and every phase checked off on the checklist, and the appropriate values noted. Sometimes certain adjustments have to be made and retested. Then the sailplane is ready finished. Of course, we still need certification and licensing by the airworthiness authorities, so you still can't fly finish sailplane for a few days. That is all I can tell about. This is all from me. I apologize if there are any mistakes. My name is Akeysha Belva Devara. Thank you for your attention. Good morning. The sky's the limit. Let's light the sky on fire. show the world our pride. We are there to take you with us. No one exciting ride, a symbol of our freedom, a torch to shine at night, a symbol of achievement since a man first took to flight. Don't let this be an ending to dreams we all do share, to promote our highest values, and to show the world we care. We are there to make a difference. That's just what angels do. Because the sky's the limit for angels that are blue.